Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a drill machine that came in due to a leak on the right side of the machine. It turned out that the outlet valve on the machine was clogged and causing too much pressure to build up, which caused the hose connections to start to leak. So we replaced the outlet valve with one that wasn't clogged, and the leak stopped. So here I'm just going to do an espresso. Have it, and you can see there's no leak. Alright, thank you for watching.